This is Gas Cooler, Unilab's newest software for the calculation of CO2 gas cooler. The software is able to perform the transcritical calculation of gas coolers using CO2. As you can see from the main screen, we have on the top part, on the left and on the right, the thermodynamic data of the heat exchanger, while in the lower project field you have the geometrical data that can be edited. The green areas are the input data. The user can choose from an archive of the most common geometries. He can edit the values, and the drawing will automatically change. He can choose the tube configuration, tube spacing, row spacing, the external diameter, the tube thickness, the fin thickness. He can use factors to get the equation of the program closer to the experimental results, so to true experimental data made in laboratory, so as to make the results of the equations of the program closer to reality. And you can also, with an easy-to-use wizard, insert from scratch a new geometry. Always at the bottom part, another geometrical characteristic can be thickness and material of tubes and fins, which can be edited. And of course there is the automatic or manual calculation of manifolds. Once all the data have been inserted, by simply clicking on Calculate, the program will be able to calculate the capacity and will give a percentage of the surface reserve. By clicking on this button, you will be able to have a graphic with the temperature trend and a table summarizing all the 100 steps in which the calculation is divided. So Gas Cooler basically divides the fin-packed heat exchanger using CO2 into 100 little pieces and calculates them piece by piece, step by step. The software doesn't make an estimate, but calculates each piece one by one. The table and the graph can be exported, and of course, after performing the calculation, you can go on Print and generate the usual Unilab report including the temperature trend chart, and the table with the calculation step by step. All these documents can be easily exported into PDF for further consultation or to send them to the clients. And of course you can export single parts of the document. This is Gas Cooler.